Hi, this is Anton, and this is the second part of threads, which is in the level of Sun Certified Java Programmer or Oracle Certified Professional. Okay, this is first example here. First, I run the codes, and again, I will come to the analysis part. We try to change the code, and we check whether okay. Okay, it's Java C, Java C, CD. That's right. Java C. Zero one pre 2 3 post 4 5 6 7. This is first output, and now we look at here. It's one class is public class, name or something like this, and here throw exception here, jog here, jog implements runnable here. Run method is overridden. Then here it's something, it's going to sleep too. Yeah, 0.2 seconds. Here it's thread 1 J1, yeah, thread 1 J1 here, and T1 dot start, T2 dot sleep for half second. Then it's pre, it's T1 dot sleep is here, and it's post. So first it will come here, and first this thread, okay, it's using that object jog here, and we start here. Okay, we'll go to the method, and we'll print 1 and 2. Again it will go to here 1 and 2. Then after that pre 1 and 2, after that pre, because it's in a sleeping state now, it's pre. Then after pre, it will again start to try to do something, 2 3. Then again post. Then afterwards the remaining thing I will do. So this is first example. For some part we can give explanation, for some part is a decision of the machine. The machine having itself, the operating is always having its threads, and it's the virtual machine having thread, and it's mapping together, and scheduling is up to it. Even we have some priority, first priority, and up to 10. So we have that thing in the thread class, but it will not. We can't make sure that this will run first and this will run second. But we can try as much as. But in the real time Java system, that's a different. Sun having different package for that. I will do that examples in that area. That's a master level Java, master level software development, software engineering, or master level in computer science. So it will print 2 3. T1 dot sleep 500. So here, then again it will print another 2, and it will go to sleep. Then it will post. Then we'll type the rest of the thing. Okay, first one, second one. Here it is main. Okay, only one method, CULT. Here it's a constructor. It's putting the name for super means super class of CULT is thread. So thread is having name. Here it's T1, T2, T3. Okay, public void main string address. This is first thread starting. Its first thread's name is 0. Yes, thread name is T0. Okay, when you start this thread, you will come here, and the time when it reach here, its count is 0. Here its count less than 3. Okay, but I is not equal to 5. So I begin here and ending here. Thread dot get name. Yeah, it will print T0, I think. T0, then again T0, 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 like that. When I is equal to 5 and count is less than 0, it will come inside and it will start. Yeah, not start. It will instantiate a new thread CULT, but it will start here. You will start to run again. Yes, run again. So on that time again, this man, which man? Again the second thread is T1. T1 it T1 will do the thing. It's you going to use run method. It will come here, but it will print T1, 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 T1 by using this method. But when it I is equal to 5 and count is now 1, so it is also less than 3, it will again come down and make another thread to run. Here it will create a thread, make a thread, and it will start this thread. So like that, this T1, T2, T3, count 0, count 1 and count 2. So T1, T2, T3 also will be started. This is my assumption CULT. CULT.java. Okay, we reduce this number. It's 10 is enough, so we can see it very clearly what's going on. Okay, here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then it will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here is 1. Yeah, 1 is second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Yeah, fifth time. Then here is starting 2. We count when the 2 reach fifth time, it must start another thread, but it is up to the computer and the processors to begin, and the OS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's after something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, it is starting 3. We run it again. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it start thread 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here everything finished. Again we run this one. This is also here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that is starting 3. Okay, like that it vary. It's processor and it's directly the operating system decided how to map the threads with the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay. Next question, skip. But it's jump and skip implements. Jump implements runnable interface. It's overriding the method run from runnable interface. It's going to sleep. Thread is going to sleep 200 milliseconds. Okay. Right here, join T1 join. Okay, it's no complexity. It's printing something. It will get ID and dash. It will print the value of I. Java C. Skip the Java. Thread ID 8 print 0. Thread ID 8 print 0. Thread ID 9 0. Thread ID 8 1. Thread ID 9 1. Thread ID 8 2. Thread ID 9 1. It's 1 is 0. Which is 1 is 0. Thread ID 1 is usually the main. Here they have a method run. Its main thread ID usually 1. So thread ID here it's start to print 0 1 2 3 4 the possible numbers. So here it print 1 0 and 1, here 2 3 4 by this run method. But it's not starting new thread, but it's only using the run method inside of jump class jump. Okay, that's all. No complexity, but the scheduling is up to. Sometimes we can predict, but not always. Okay, next question. Drip extend thread. Here it's thread. It's name mark. T1 is start. T1 jump join. Here, main method having something to print. I reduce this number. Okay, we'll first check and reduce the number. It's loop 1, loop 2. It's current thread get name. Okay, check this one. DRIP Java C. Not cool. Extend must print new line new. Okay, here compiling again. Okay, now running. Mark main. Okay, we look at this one. Why it is following the order? I don't like that. Yeah, it must, because we are using a T1.join here. But when we have this code somewhere else, I cut this here, and after it begins its execution, I am using the T1.join method. So this will begin its execution. After that, I'm asking you follow the T1 thread. That means when T1 finish, you can do your work. Until that, you wait. Like that, I'm giving a command. Mark, then main, then all are marks. Here it's mark where here when I start here mark will print, then within seconds, milliseconds, it will come to this thread. It will print main method, and after that it again I'm asking T1 to join T1. So all other threads will do they own task after T1 completes. Okay, so this is this one, here is red main and T1 starting, T1 dot joining. Here this will look like, okay, it's quite same. Java C. Six. This is also 6. Get name, new line name, new line name. Okay. Thread one. Main. Okay, same as it's looks same, but here I change this one. Because either it is join or sleep method, it must be inside of that means it must be in a safety zone. Okay, thread 1, then sleeping for current thread get name. Thread 1, then this is main. Thread name is main. Okay, when first one is finished, something wrong. It may or may not. T1 dot start here. Here thread 1 dot sleep is here, so it will not make any sense. We put this man inside of this coin. We may see funny. Okay, it doesn't know. Here is the problem. I must capture this inside of run method. here it's a thread. Okay, here it's beginning and ending. So it must be run whether it is any here. So I put a brace here. Now look at this. Sorry. Let's go. Thread 1, then main, then again thread 1, then main, then thread 1, like that. Okay, I'll leave this one. Jiggy extends thread, it's jiggy. You're having constructor and it's putting the name for the superclass. So it is giving name for the thread, so we can happily print the name. It's jiggy T3, new error. Yeah, we see some question like this. Jiggy caught. Here we are starting, but we are not throwing any error. Yeah, we are starting only. But we are starting here when the thread is equal to current thread get name is equal to I. Here when this is I is equal to I is equal to 5, at the same time it's equal to T2. The current thread is T1, it will make a thread T3. When the current thread is T2, it will make a T4. We are making T1. It's a very interesting question. T1, T2 are two threads. We are making a new thread by using in the run method. We are making a new thread and starting the thread. Okay. After thread is started, it will throw an error, new error. Here after thread started, it will throw an error. Right. Set priority 1, set priority 2. It will not make a big difference. Okay. T1.T2. Yeah. So I think T2 will begin first. Okay, when we think in that way, I'm going through again. Jiggy extends thread. Okay, Jiggy having constructor and it's using the superclass. So it's putting a name for the thread. Its name it will be the n. So here when they put T3, the thread name is also T3. Here it's T4. The thread name also T4, like that for these two threads also. So here it's a run method. It's overridden method because it's in the thread class. It's overridden here. So yeah, here it's followed by it's 0 to 99. It will increase value to 0 to 99. When it became 100, it will not come inside. Here it's follow beginning here and end of the follow not here. So the T1 okay, right here Jiggy. So Jiggy is going to, here it is starting. Okay, T2 is first, so it's starting T2 May first. So it's starting a new thread here. So it will the thread name is T2 according to this step. So it will come here and it will 0 1 2 3 4 5, then 5. It is having two possibilities, coming here and coming here. It will check the current thread name. It will say T2 here, so it will come inside here. So Jiggy thread 4 dot start, then it is throwing error here. So this man is already out. Which one? T2 is already out, and it made a new thread T4. But at the same time, this man also started. We think what will happen to T1. T1 will increase its value 1 2 3 4 and 5. When it reach 5, it will come two possibilities here, going here and coming here. So when it come here, when it comes here, it will see I is equal to 5, 1 2 3 4. It's no possibilities in 5, and thread name is T1. Okay, it will come here, and it will make thread T3. Okay, after it made a new thread T3, it will throw an error, right? Then T3 will execute, but it will not see the thing. It will not have a chance to come here and here, because they are already over. This is T3 and this is T4. Only these two will be alive. So even they are alive. Okay, it will go through, and those two threads will be end, but they will not throw an error, because they are not inside T3 and T4, but the T1 and T2 will throw error, right? Now check what Jiggy doing. Jiggy. Okay, it is 2. T2 is the first thread, as we expected. T through T2 2 times, T2 3 times, T2 4 times, T2 5 times. Then it will come here. It will throw exception in thread T2. This is T1 is printing as usual, exception in thread T2, right? We throw an exception. T2 will be no more, and it is creating T4. T2, it will create T4. Then T4 is continuing. T4 is continuing. Okay, but T1 is moving. T1 is moving 1 2 3. First T1, second T1, third T1, fourth T1, fifth T1. Yeah. Then for the sixth one, it will. Yeah. Then T1, there is no more T1. Here exception in thread T1. Okay, this is 5. After that, it is showing exception in T1. So it will throw an exception. Then it will create a new thread. The thread is thread started to print its value here. It's 3 3 3 3 3 3 there, and after that it will continue like this. It's very interesting question for me. Next question is bang. Thread bang. Start. Lolu. Usha. U is a fan name. USHA. Lolu and Vernon. Bang needs thread T1, T2, T3 is static void, and bang and is a new bang, and here okay, only one object is used in these three threads. T1 is T1 is 3 threads are started here. Its run method. Current thread get ID is printing I and the value. Current thread get name. Okay, it's getting here. When I is equal to 25, system.out.println T1.get ID, get name. That's all. It's no complexity. BANG. Java C. I didn't see. Sorry. Lolusha, right. Here it's 100. I no need of 100. It's 10. Here it's 0 1 0 0. Okay, this thread ID is 9, name is 1N, and thread ID is 11 Lolu, and thread ID is Yusha. One is following another. Here it's 1 to 9, 0 to 9. This is 0 to 9. Here is 0 to 9. Here is 0 to 9. It 10 to 19 something. No, 18 something. 19 to 29. Like that. So now I repeat. Here is 0. It's 20 to 29. Here is 0. It's 10 to 19. It's 0 1 to 9. Okay, but when this method is not synchronized, what will happen? You see, one and 4 1 here, Lolu, then Usha here, then 1 and Usha, like that. So this is the bang. This question is the same as the early one. T1 is the only one. ID here is 4. Okay. Here is I is equal to 2 and ID is equal to thread.current.get ID. ID first, it will be 0. But thread ID we can't say whether it's 0 or throw an error. When I is equal to 2, I will have a possibility to become 2, yes, and then ID is equal to thread.current.get ID. We see here is T1 ID T1.get ID. Okay. Here they made the trick. They putting the value ID is equal to T1.get ID. They are already inserting the ID of the thread T1. So here again they are checking whether ID is equal to, okay, for the only, this is only one possibility. So it will definitely come inside. It will come inside, and after that it is going to start new thread. When you start new thread, and it's going to throw an error. So the T1 is no more, but that something else here will be started. I name him I'm alive. Okay, this man I'm alive, but the I'm alive's ID will be different. So when the I'm alive run method, it will come here, it will execute, but it will not come inside. When it come inside, it comes inside, there will be a problem. It will throw an error like that. So but it will not enter inside. But we can have a man to watch him, who is coming and who is going. We make a spy inside. Okay. Thread get name, and at the moment when he come, what is I? He's going to print this one. He will print ln. I'm alive. Okay, here how to name this thread? Can't name this thread. SALMON. How to name this man? we can name this, man. Okay, here we'll try to run this one and see later what we should do. We saved not. It's bang and jiggy. SCL. I'm alive 1. Here it's thread 000, thread 1 and 1 thread. First thread is 2 exception thread. Okay, then it's printing I'm alive 0, I'm alive 1, I'm alive 2, I'm alive 3. Java rsl mode dot run. We investigate this one. Okay, thread 00. Okay, here it's going to get ID. Okay, first thing here, thread is 0. Okay, current thread dot get name. Yes, first thing is going to 0 dash I is 1 get name. What is this 0? Yeah, thread 00. Excuse me, follow here system.out. It may take a long time to check it. Okay, here run this again. System.printer. Put ln here. Beginning of the follow. Here ending of no if statement. Here is beginning of follow. It's beginning of follow, end of follow, beginning of run method, end of run method. It is inside of follow. This is how to. This is end of for loop. This is end of follow. This is end of run. RUNME run method. Okay, this is end of follow, this is end of run method. We no need of this one. Okay, it is for loop here. It's system dot get name here. It is going to get name, and when this check only if it is possible, it will come here and do the work here. Thread 1 here, this man. Okay, here ID T1 get ID T1 dot start. Okay, it will get ID and it will start. When it start, it will come here and check. It will print something, the thread's name and the value I. Why I want to print the value I again, and it will make the code more complex, but it's useless. Okay, thread 0, thread 01, thread 02. When it is 2, okay, here printing 2, and it will check here. Then it will make a new thread. IMLI thread dot start. It will start and it will throw exception. Then here thread 0. exception in thread thread 0. Okay, I am alive 0, I am alive 1, then I am alive 2, I am alive 3. It's okay, it's cool. Right, then I plan to name this thread, but it is a big change I must make to name this one, but I will try. Here when I make a constructor for this man, string hh thread hh. Okay, we'll try in this way, whether it is okay or not. I try in this way. I am going to die. This is I am going to die. You also need something. Okay, here. Okay, when we instantiate, you put something and it's okay. You see what will happen. Thread cannot find symbol. Not thread. It's super. I am going to die 0, I am going to die 1, I am going to die 2, I am alive 0, exception is in the I am going to die, exception is already, it's over. Here it's 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here we have 3 because this man will not throw an error. So I am happy. This is second part of Java thread in Oracle certified professional level. That's all. Okay, thanks for listening. Thank you.